patrons, it's Larissa. I'm going to do an unboxing. I had some time off, so it's been a while since I've done one, but I have a box here, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Looks like a lot of fiction. We have Much Ado About You by Samantha Young. Looks like a contemporary rom-com. The cozy comforts of an English village bookstore open up a world of new possibilities for Evie Starling in this charming new romantic comedy from the New York Times best-selling author Samantha Young. The Girl from the Channel Islands by Jenny LaCote. An unforgettable tale of friendship, love, courage, and survival. I loved every word of this fantastically engrossing novel. Jenny LaCote is an author to watch. Never Far Away by Michael Korita. An automatic must-read. But seriously, this one is special. What a ride. It might be the best thriller you read this year. The Burning Girls by C.J. Tudor. Rarely have the secrets of an English village been used for greater effect than this tautly suspenseful mystery. Tudor expertly doles out the plot twists, one so shocking that it turns the entire story inside out. The Forever Sea by Joshua Philip Johnson. A beautifully imagined dive into the unknown. Beautifully lyrical and imaginative. A twisting tale of adventure full of diverse characters and a lush world ripe to fall in love with a heart that will haunt you. This eco-punk story is unlike any you've read before. How the One-Armed Sister Sweeps the House by Cherie Jones. A hard-hitting and unflinching novel from a bold new writer who tackles head-on the brutal extremes of patriarchal abuse. And Beneath the Keep, a novel of the Tearling. This one is by Erica Johansson. She has been writing the Tearling series. The Queen of the Tearling was the first one. The Queen of the Tearling trilogy is the name of the trilogy. And it says, a suspenseful, multi-layered tale on how the sparks of revolution are kindled and of those who strive to ignite them. So we do have the first two here if you'd like to start at the beginning. Alright, my box is empty. So those are all the things. I will link the form. We've been keeping a Google form of all the new items at the library, so it's helpful if you don't have time to come in and browse the new shelf, or if you're still uncomfortable coming in the building in these COVID times. You can use that form to request a hold on any of the new items. There's not just these on there, but all the new items that we've gotten this month. And we'll get those items on the hold shelf for you, and then you can either come in and pick them up, or you can call us to request a curbside pickup, and we'll get that set up for you. So thank you so much. Again, if this content is helpful for you, please leave a like down below, hit that little thumbs up button. You can subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notifications, so that YouTube will tell you when we post a new video, whether it's a program or an unboxing or some other kind of reader's advisory video. That's it for today. Thank you so much.